How to export video in CapCut without the pro version. So it's very simple to do. There's two versions you would have. You would have the paid version or the free version. Most people use the free version, but it does come with a watermark on the video. So if that's okay with you, just keep on using the free version. It's really not all that difficult. So if you want to, go to CapCut and go ahead and open up a project. I'm just going to use one of these existing projects that I have. And all you need to do is go hit export. But if you look at the very top, you want to change that drop-down menu for the quality here. And you want to make sure that this is toggled off. As you see, it's on, and I'm going to toggle this off. That way it will export for free. So go ahead and hit export. And then it'll run through and it will export your video. And as you see at the very top, it said save to device. So your video is exported. You don't need to do anything with these options here unless you want to share it to some of your other social media apps. But really simple, really quick and easy. That's how you would go about exporting your video without the pro version.